Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a quick demonstration of how to get a cleaner export of HTML from mindmup. This is mindmup.com. One of the things you'll know when working with mindmup is that the HTML that's exported is only a UL. They only use UL tags. Let me show you what I mean. And save and file, show in folder. And we'll open this, and it should open in, it's opening in LibreOffice. You can see that these tags here, the first one is an H1, but all of the rest are text bodies, which is nearly useless in many regards. Let's open this with Google Chrome, and you see again the code, or rather the text, looks formatted partially, but if you look at the source code, you'll see that it's all ULs and LIs. Not very handy if you need to add more formatting. So the workaround that I found is, what you do is you open this file, you import it through Google Drive. When it loads, Google Drive, and now file, upload, files, and clean export. Open it as an HTML, click open, convert, start upload, and now it's open, and when we open the file, you'll see that again it's imported correctly, and you'll say, well, that doesn't really change much. Let me show you what it does change though. If you create a new document and you try to copy and paste from the HTML file, open, we try and copy and paste this to the untitled document, that worked, and that worked as well. Okay, so maybe importing it to Google Docs is not as necessary. Once you have it in Google Docs, then you can start to do your formatting. But ideally, all of this would be automatic, at least in terms of having an option in the file export map. The HTML would be some way of making sure that, since this is an H1, make sure that this would be an H2 because it's a sub, and this would be an H2, the tag H2, so that it would be clean, and these would be H3s, etc., or not, since there's no sub tag. If there is a sub tag, then this would be H3, but if there is no sub tag, then this would just be a regular text. Anyway, some thoughts on how to make more use of mindmup and HTML export. Thanks for your time, and happy computing.